How to play classic Friv games again in your PC or in your laptop. So let's start this. For this, open the browser and then select Friv classic old menu of games on your PC and then click on the first official website you see. Whenever you will click on this game, it will be started in front of you and you will see all of the things that is available in front of you, and from this you should select an avatar or anything you like. I don't know actually how to play this game. I'm just going to show you the process, how you can play this or how you can restart. Now, you can see the game is started right now, and this is the game homepage. You can play it from this menu, click on it, Resort Empire, and you can read all the details that the game is starting right now. This is updating, that's the size about 13 MB in your phone or PC. Then click on this start button on the top of the screen, and then it will redirect you to the game PlayStation and you can play the game as you want it right now. This is all about the video how you can play this game or how you can install it or how you can open it on your PC. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for watching more reviews, updates and smart videos like this.